Hey, Flock and Model Railroaders, that's not a knife. That's a knife. I'm entering into the world of 3D printing. So here's a gotcha. I get it all set up. I get to do the inaugural powering on. The cable's plugged in. Uh, Everything's ready to go. Hit the power and nothing. What could be wrong? Could be the cable. It's pretty rare that I get a new cable that's bad. It does happen though. What else could be wrong? Could be the outlet itself. So, obviously I checked that real quick just to make sure, it wasn't off or something silly. Can happen. And I'm like, okay, well, it could be the power supply. Something's wrong with the power supply. Wires loose, something like that. Check some of the wires that I did just to make sure they were plugged in. Seems okay. What else could it be? See this little red switch back here? This is a power supply that'll also run on 220 or 230 in this case. It comes switched to 230. So since I'm in the US, I'm on 120 or 110, so I need to switch that. So the cable is unplugged, so there's nothing connected to this. I'm going to use the little handy dandy screwdriver that they sent with the printer. Maybe that's what this is for. I couldn't figure it out. Why would they send a little screwdriver? So anyway, I'm going to switch this the other direction. Now it says 115. So let's see if that works. Again, this is just a hobby for me, so I'm just having fun and just showing you guys my adventures. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos, and like a couple of the comments as well.